Hey everyone, it's Barbara here, Bling Girls channel. If this is your first time watching, hi. So happy that you're all here today, guys. I know, Barbara, you already did a bedroom room tour. No, I wanted to, remember I said I was looking for that perfect comforter? Well, let's get into today's video and find out what I did. Hi everyone. Alrighty, so let's just start. So, I'm gonna make this a little bit zoomed in more. Okay, so you guys seen that pretty flower? That actually was my inspiration for what I'm going to show you guys. I just, every season, I'm like changing things up. I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to make my space feel more like me. Yes, the white comforter was beautiful, and I wanted to try the neutral way. And you guys know I had my room with like the brighter colors in the summer, so you guys know I love color, but I'm going to show you how I transformed this space for all seasons. And to me, I think you can use it all season. Okay, so you guys have seen this before. Okay, he is a real cane plant. Okay, a cane palm. And I just put a artificial popples there on a beautiful green tray. Okay, that's a fake one, has some rocks in it, some peachy stones. And then that's a real pothos, and this is a real one. Okay, so nothing changed here. Okay, but if you are brand new, you're more like, oh, I never seen that. Okay, so you know I have the neutral curtains going on, and you know that they have these beautiful like brown striations going through them, like a beautiful cognac, warm brown color that really matches a lot of things. So over here, I found these pillows at Walmart, and this is a beautiful red canyon color, okay? And I just put it on my cream chair, and I love it against this green ottoman that's like a really pretty warm color. Okay, we bring you, there you go. And there you go. Okay, so that's what I did in that space, okay? Because my rug here is a beautiful, has like some peaches in it and certain lights and things like that, okay? Alrighty, so over here, I just put a pretty pillow here. I think I showed this already. This is a beautiful neutral color linen-like pillow from Walmart as well. It has like a yellow beige tint to it, so it's perfect for nature, you know, decor. And this I put here. And this is new back here because sometimes I think I'm going to be filming over here and you'll see my plants and everything. So I put this little wicker pumpkin and this cute little succulent by my dish thing. Alrighty. Down here on the floor, I put a really nice cross-stitch creamy pillow from Walmart, okay, next to my little poof, because sometimes, guys, I just like to sit on the floor. I'm working out or something. I like to lean against something, and I just love those cozy vibes. Love them. So over here is like beautiful warm beige carpet and everything else. Okay, those are things that are coming up in a haul. So here, I just kept some little bit of turquoise in here because that is such a pretty color with this rust color I'm going to be showing you. A lot of warm color jewelry, but there's still silver mixes in here. And then this hat is a rust color. Okay, I got that from Walmart a while ago. Brought back my leopard scarf. Yes, I did. And down here, these are just some things that are coming up in a Walmart haul. So let me back up. So what I did here, hold up, there we go, my doggy. All right. So what I did here is I just added some prints in here, but some like subtle leopard prints. And then I added some warmer colors in here and things like that, so it doesn't look too busy, but at the same time it still works because they're those warm colors. You're not adding like bright purple or bright pink into this mix because that just won't work in my space in here. That's in my seasonal closet, you know what I mean? So, and here the same thing, Okay, then I added some dresses and some leopards, some rusts, and just different colors like that, because sometimes I'm going to be using this as my background. And that's my little basket where I actually folded all my leggings that are leather-like, and I put them in there next to my lace. I think that's just so beautiful. Like, guys, I want to go to Paris so bad. I really do. And up here, brought back my leopard purse. This is from my mother-in-law. I love this. She bought this last year for my birthday. And that's my little peachy pot and some boho beads, and then this beautiful candle holder. And I just love how beautiful these colors just go together. Over here, there we go. I love it with this dress and this hat, and I love what it's doing to this space. Okay, so it's very boutique feel. Okay, let's say what I did over here in my shoes is I brought my leopard boots in, some subtle prints of my snakeskin, cognac, some really beautiful colors, and that's what I did in this space. Because I did bring some shoes down into my studio area that I'll be using for my hauls. Then this was hanging on my door. And this is a beautiful gold, I don't know, hanger thing that my husband gave me. And I just hung a little wicker bag here. You can use these all year, of course you can. Then I have a cognac purse with fringes and a beautiful leopard fur purse here, so I'm still playing with those colors and those patterns. And then over here I changed my blankets out. So this is a beautiful beige throw, and then I added another one of those Red Canyon pillows, and then I added this little picture. Okay, so it plays really beautifully. So I have these colors sporadically spread around the room. Okay, over here I still have my bunny. Okay, see him? Okay, he's still there. And that's all I did. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you my dresser's the same. Okay, sorry for the noise. Let me bring you a little bit. There you go. So my little bird and everything else. Okay, I don't know if I shared this or not, but I did put this over here. And these little pots gave me the inspiration for what I'm going to show you on my bed. Let me, there you go. And those little ones too. Okay, now we're going to get into the bed. So this is what I did on the bed. Okay, now instead of the black and the white being the pops of color when you have a white comforter, it's a lot cooler, not warm. Those colors tend to pop in the room instead of those other colors. So now they blend in well instead of popping. So this pillow is from Walmart. Oh, I love this, guys. Almost under $7. I'm going to link it. It's beautiful. This comforter is from Walmart. It's a corduroy, so boho. Beautiful terracotta. It's called Terracotta. And it's really pretty. I don't know why it's showing. Let me back up a little because of the lighting, you know. There we go. That's the color. Okay. And I just put some neutral color pillows on it. I changed my throw out. This is also from Walmart. I will link it. I just love just having the casual vibes going on the bed instead of looking too formal and too perfect. You know what I mean? So I want to take a little nap. I don't care about, oh, I'm going to mess up my bed. You know what I mean? So that's what I did there. Let me turn the light on over here. And then these shams were from the other quilt. Well, you buy them separately. Now, I know this looks like this does not go, but I don't know why it's looking like that. So I'm going to back away. Okay. So those shams are darker than the comforter, but it matches. It's the same tone, if that makes sense. So you can play with color, just stay in the same tone family. Okay. So that's what I did. It's just so cozy. And I think it goes with everything in the space. And those shams, I think they're $11.97 a piece. And those are called, I think they're called Terracotta too. I don't remember. But if you want this exact look, I'm going to have everything linked. I'm really happy with everything the way it came out. With these baskets underneath my nightstand. They're like a taupey gray. Those are from Walmart too. I'll try to link them. Over here, I put another little pillow. So I just love all these colors together. And I really think it just plays really well. So I can't get to Paris, but I can feel like I'm there, right? So you guys let me know in the comments down below if you like boho chic, boho, if you like your room to feel more boutique, and if I've given you guys any tips, let me know if you need any help or anything like that. But this is how I like to decorate. And I guess I can say this to you guys, Barbara is back. Because I kind of lost myself for a little bit. I kind of did. So many things that were going on in my home, and then I got really sick, and oh my gosh. But so this is what I've been working on, and because of my floors, like that taupey gray and everything, it just plays very well together. Alrighty guys, until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life gives you morsels, make some hot cocoa, and I'll be back on here real soon. I have a Walmart haul. I have so much coming. Again, I have a Walmart storefront. That's going to be linked down in the description box, as well as the links to all of these beautiful pieces that are now in my bedroom. All right now, bye for now.